What's up, guys? Back again, getting ready to leave for the M1 Concourse 5K competition. Car's out of here. So we're doing something a little different this time. We're gonna street drive the car to the competition because it's only about 10 minutes down the road. So we got the whole truck loaded up with all of our stuff that we're gonna need at the track. And we're gonna street drive this here, have Jordan follow us in the truck. And yeah, roll up, street drive and do a 5K comp. It's pretty cool. It's not very far though, but still cool to street drive the car and not have to load the trailer up, and it'll be cool. But I'll see you when we get I'll see you guys when we get there. All right, headed to M1 right now, getting ready to pull out on the street. Where are we?
We are at M1 Concourse.
Yes, we are. Got the rig and the trailer totally hooked up. Everybody else, treater cars. Where? I'm saving one for Chad too, because Chad won't be here till tonight.
Tonight?
Trying to chill Sad tonight. Sad and Tara. Is this thing on?
Yeah, I can't tell. Which one do I look at?
Are you ready, dude?
No, I gotta add oil.
Dude, Pro-Am?
Yeah. See? Pro-Am. Mighty's.
Pro Spec.
Pro Spec, yeah. That's where I'm heading.
2020.
I'm waiting on money.
Yeah.
It hasn't came in the mail.
Well, money's coming in. We're getting you a bunch of sponsors for this event.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Yeah.
Link ECU.
Sick Week.
Dustin Magina's really coming through.
Yeah, I heard Sick Fest is giving 10 grand out for this one.
Really?
No.
Dude, I better take my doors off then.
Justin, you left your lube in my truck. I'll get it for you.
All right, perfect. Can't wait.
What keeps happening?
So I'm used to having the LSD and being able to float the car around corners off throttle. Well, now with the welded diff, I can't do that because both wheels are going to always be spinning the same speed. So I think that's what's getting me right now is that I'm not used to driving with the welded diff compared to the LSD. So just got to work on that because I haven't drove with the welded diff in this car in a long time, and try to get used to it. But this is why I like LSDs more. So we just finished our first session. Track's definitely a little weird. There's no like real good layout to it. It's just really wide, so it's really easy to throw a lot of angle or too much angle in a lot of spots. Wish there was a little bit more structure to how tight the track was, so you couldn't just kind of do whatever you wanted. But starting to get it down. I spun out the first couple laps, getting used to the welded diff, but feeling good now. And we'll just keep practicing today. Get ready for the comp tomorrow.
Whoa!
been trying. Dude, call your insurance. You got Progressive? Because I just hit you, bro. Team Smooth Butts. Team Smooth Butt would be proud of me. So, end of day one, I had a pipe fly off. This pipe, my intercooler fell down, messed up where the pipe's supposed to go. So now we had to like bend the pipe back to be able to fit back in the intercooler. So that's why the bumper's off, but overall no issues. They've been changing the track a bunch all day, so it keeps changing what we have to do as far as like the track layout. But feeling decent. We drove on the same set of tires all day, which is cool. Put a fresh set of tires on for tomorrow, but we'll call it a day probably today. Let's see. Well, it's about 10:30 at night. We just went and had some dinner, and my shifter bolts all fell out. You can see it flopping around in there. So that's interesting. So we got to take the center console off and crawl back under and bolt it back together. Okay, just look down here. Can you see? Well, huge shout out to Andy at A-Star Fab for always saving our ass every single fucking time. Because we got the shifter fixed in the blink of an eye. And actually, shout out to Alex, because Alex also helped fix the shifter and took action. But we reinforced basically the sides of the shifter and rebuilt the mount, because that's the only option we have right now. And yeah, so we're just putting the interior back together, take a shower, get some rest, and get ready for whatever weather it says we're gonna have tomorrow, which right now it says it's hail. Day 2, back in the street car, driving to the event. It's supposed to rain really bad later. Let's hope it doesn't do that. But we're gonna get inside, check over the car, and get ready to practice and focus on tandems today. We didn't get to do a ton yesterday. And to get ready for the comp, which is luck. All right, this is who we got, Mr. Britt. Mr. Britt in the top 32.
It's gonna be a fun one, that's for sure.
You excited?
Oh yeah, dude.
What do you think of the track?
It's pretty nice. I'm liking how they switched the entry and stuff. It's
Yeah,
gonna be a
the
lot
sweeper's
better.
cool.
It flows really well though, so
Should be fun.
gonna get ready to get on your door
All right,
soon.
let's do it, dude.
See ya.
Oh, they are now.
I should have tons of driving footage for you guys. We're getting ready to do our top 32. I got Britt, first battle I showed you guys earlier. Feeling good. What up, y'all? And we're gonna just have fun, see what we can do. If whoever wins out of me and Britt goes against Ray, so should be fun.
Well, we're knocked out in 32. I was on brand new tires, didn't get to scrub them in. That's my excuse. No, I just got gapped on the run up and could not make up ground until like second half of the track. So it's pretty much just how it went. Same kind of thing with Street League, honestly. Sucks because I thought I was gonna be able to scrub tires in because I was told I were, and then they switched back and whatever. That doesn't matter. We had a lot of fun though, driving the last 2 days, like only a few miles from home, which is awesome. Hopefully they continue to do this yearly because this would be super fun to have an event so close. But car did good, didn't break anything today, so that's a positive. And now we'll get ready to go watch the rest of the comp and see everybody else compete. Hopefully one of the homies can bring the gold, hopefully one of the homies can bring the money home.
Is Chad Anderson?
Yeah!